Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of biohacking. Today, we'll explore the science behind biohacking and discover how you can optimize your health and performance. Biohacking is a rapidly growing field that combines biology, technology, and self-experimentation to enhance human capabilities. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind this cutting-edge practice and learn practical tips to optimize your well-being. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's start with a basic understanding of biohacking. Biohacking is all about leveraging scientific knowledge, tools, and techniques to gain better control over our biology. It involves making informed lifestyle choices, implementing dietary modifications, using wearable devices, and even incorporating supplements or nootropics. Biohacking essentially revolves around the concept of self-improvement. By manipulating external factors that influence our biology, such as diet, exercise, sleep, and stress levels, we can optimize our overall health and well-being. Biohacking is a personalized approach to wellness, where individuals take charge of their own biology. By understanding the intricacies of their bodies and using evidence-based techniques, they can optimize their health and achieve peak performance. What are the benefits of biohacking? There are several benefits that have been reported by people who engage in biohacking. Here are some of the best scientifically proven benefits. Improved cognitive function. Biohacking techniques such as optimizing sleep, nutrition, exercise, and stress management can enhance cognitive function, including focus, memory, and mental clarity. Increased energy levels. By optimizing nutrition, sleep, and exercise, biohacking can help improve energy levels and reduce fatigue, leading to increased productivity and vitality. Enhanced physical performance. Biohacking strategies such as targeted exercise, optimized nutrition, and recovery techniques can improve strength, endurance, and overall physical performance. Better sleep quality. Biohacking techniques can promote healthier sleep patterns, leading to improved sleep quality, increased REM sleep, and more restorative rest. Reduced inflammation. Certain biohacking practices, such as adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, managing stress, and optimizing gut health, can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is linked to various health issues. Optimal weight management. Biohacking methods can assist in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight by focusing on personalized nutrition, exercise, and metabolic optimization. Improved mood and mental well-being. By incorporating practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and stress reduction techniques, biohacking can positively impact mental well-being, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Longevity and anti-aging effects. Biohacking approaches that promote healthy lifestyle habits and stress reduction can potentially slow down the aging process and promote longevity. Enhanced immune system function. Biohacking strategies like optimizing nutrition, exercise, and sleep can strengthen the immune system, leading to better resistance against illnesses and faster recovery. Overall well-being and self-awareness. Biohacking encourages self-experimentation and self-awareness, empowering individuals to take control of their health and well-being, leading to an improved sense of overall well-being. Here are some commonly recommended biohacking techniques. Now that we grasp the concept, let's explore some popular biohacking techniques that can help us optimize our health and performance. Sleep optimization. Getting enough high-quality sleep is crucial for overall well-being. Techniques such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a comfortable sleep environment, practicing relaxation techniques before bed, and avoiding electronic devices before sleep can help improve sleep quality. Nutrition and diet. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in nutrient-dense foods. Experiment with different dietary approaches such as the Mediterranean diet, intermittent fasting, or a low-carb/high-fat, ketogenic diet to find what works best for your body and goals. Exercise and movement. Engage in regular physical activity to enhance physical performance and overall health. Combine cardiovascular exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises to achieve a well-rounded fitness routine. Stress management. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on health. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies and activities that bring you joy. Cognitive enhancement. Techniques like brain training exercises, learning new skills, reading, and problem-solving activities can help improve cognitive function and mental performance. Supplementation. Consult with a healthcare professional to determine if any supplements or nootropics may be beneficial for your specific needs. Commonly used supplements for biohacking include omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, magnesium, and adaptogens like rhodiola rosea or ashwagandha. Tracking and self-monitoring. Use wearable devices or smartphone apps to track relevant data such as sleep patterns, physical activity, heart rate variability, or nutrition to gain insights and make informed decisions about your biohacking practices. Biohacking technologies have advanced rapidly in recent years. Neurofeedback devices, such as EEG headsets, can provide real-time brainwave information, helping individuals optimize focus, relaxation, and mental performance. Additionally, wearable devices like fitness trackers, sleep monitors, and continuous glucose monitors offer valuable insights into our physiological data, aiding in informed decision-making. How can individuals begin their biohacking journey? Start by setting clear goals and tracking your progress. Experiment with different techniques, but be sure to measure and analyze the outcomes. Remember, biohacking is a highly individualized practice, so what works for one person might not work for another. Seek guidance from experts, stay informed through reputable sources, and always prioritize safety. The science behind biohacking and practical tips to optimize your health and performance. Biohacking offers a unique opportunity to take control of our biology and unlock our full potential. By combining cutting-edge technologies, personalized lifestyle modifications, and informed experimentation, we can improve our well-being and achieve peak performance. Remember, though, always consult with healthcare professionals before implementing major changes. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more exciting discoveries in the world of biohacking. Stay curious, stay healthy.